Hi friends, Linda here with Life on Summerhill, and today we're talking about how to clean your upholstered sofa. So real quick, Life on Summerhill is a home decor DIY channel, and if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to join the family over here so you don't miss out on future episodes. Anyways, I went to visit my daughter during the Christmas break, and I gave her a Bissell upholstery cleaner. It's a small little cleaner that you're going to see here in a minute. And she got really excited, and we decided to go ahead and clean her sectional sofa together. We used the Bissell to clean the body, but I talked her into washing the covers on the cushions in the washing machine. So I'm going to walk you through how we did that, and I hope this gives you the courage to try to clean your sofa. And at the very end, I'll talk a little bit about fabric. So make sure you listen all the way to the end, because it is important to know what you're cleaning, because some fabrics shrink really bad and some are great. So we're going to talk about it at the end. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and let's get started. First, you're going to put hot water and a cleaning solution in the tank. Then you're going to wet the body down and let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. Next, you're going to extract that from the sofa and then fill the tank with clean, clear hot water and extract that to remove the soap. Next, you're going to remove all the cushions and all the batting from all the pillow covers. If you have batting, try to remove it where it's all in one bundle. Next, turn all the covers inside out and put them in your wash. Fill up the tank with cold water and your detergent and put it on the delicate cycle. Next, place them in the dryer on low and let them dry. We only did 2 or 3 covers at a time, just so that there was plenty of water to move it around and to be more safe and gentle on the covers. So next, you're going to take each pile of your batting and go ahead and start stuffing all your pillow forms. Your seat forms there'll be a foam with a batting on top, so they're a lot easier to do than the backs. If you're lucky, your back cushions will already come in some sort of fabric material like a pillow form. But for some reason, this couch came with just loose batting, but that's okay. Just make sure, if you do have that, to keep them in their own pile, so each pillow has its own pile of batting, and then that way you know exactly how much goes back in. Next, you're going to take your fist and you're going to move around, and basically like you're kneading dough, the back cushion. So if you have that loose batting, this is a great way to smooth it out and get it nice and filled in the corners and make it look more tailored and flat. So here's a shot of all the cushions right when I put them back on before I styled the couch. And here is it all finished, and it turned out great. It was very easy to do, and we were able to do it in one day. Okay, so what'd you think? It really was an easy project, and once you have that little upholstery cleaner, you can do all this on your own. So let's talk about fabrics real quick. So her sofa is a chenille fabric, and chenille is like a polyester blend kind of fabric. It's very soft, and polyester fabrics tend to not shrink. So for her sofa, I wasn't worried about those cushion covers shrinking. But now if your sofa is 100% cotton, and you can find that information sometimes on labels inside the cushion covers or even on the body of the sofa. But if it's 100% cotton, I would definitely not dry it in the dryer, and I would wash it on cold, because it will shrink. If your sofa has any wool in it, I'd have it professionally cleaned. I wouldn't even take the chances. With every project, I always recommend test a little spot on the back somewhere where people can't see it. And as far as those cushion covers, I washed one first to see how it would do, and it did great. So let me recommend, pick one of those cushions that maybe isn't as visible and give it a wash first. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. And good luck. I can't wait to hear in the comments how it went for you. So good luck, and I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you soon.